pipe has been the standard for plumbing and mechanical systems due to versatility and affordability for a variety of applications. Even today, it is looked at as the primary option for providing fuel gas, fire sprinkler, and hydronic piping solutions. Over time, there have been a variety of methods used for joining carbon steel pipe. Today, we will compare welding against the speed and precision of Viega MegaPress fittings. Any day of work begins by getting the necessary equipment onto the job site. Welding is the most equipment-intensive, with gas tanks, welding rods, a welding machine, safety equipment, and post-weld cleaning supplies. Viega MegaPress only requires a battery-powered press tool and ring kit, in addition to standard job site supplies. Let's put welding to the test as two experienced journeyman pipe fitters build identical assemblies with both methods in 3, 2, 1, go! As you can see, pressing realized 93% savings versus welding. That results in significant labor savings that add up. Additional benefits of using Viega MegaPress include the ability for other trades to work nearby at the same time. No hot work permits are required. Pressing eliminates the need for consumables. Pressing is a safer installation method, and Smart Connect technology helps easily identify unpressed connections. Thanks to the speed and ease of Viega MegaPress, our installer is already headed to his next job.